Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ajili and I'm back with another video. So today's video is about flower design hairstyle for kids, and this video is by kind courtesy of November Love. I really love this lady's braiding skills, and it's so amazing and breathtaking. The kind of design she can do in hair. If you want to know, just stay tuned to my channel and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification, so whenever I post a new video you'll be the first to see it. Okay, so if this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell notification so that I'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. If you want to see more beautiful hairstyles by November Love, please go on Instagram and search for November Love 3. Okay, you will see most of her hairstyles and you will really be inspired by one of them, I'm really sure. Okay, so this video is showing you guys or demonstrating to you guys how the flower braid hairstyle is done. Okay, this hairstyle is beautiful and it gives your hair or your baby's hair or your daughter's hair a kind of unique look, and it's so beautiful. This is actually one of my favorites and most beautiful hairstyle done by November Love, and I'm so in love with it. Okay, and I'm very sure your baby girl is gonna love this hairstyle for school or for a birthday party or any occasion. I'm really sure you will be inspired by this hairstyle, and if you were, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.